Hey guys, D-Bubby here, and today I am in the drive-thru right now. And look at this bullshit right here. Look at all that. There's no way in Sam's hell that this many people want Dairy Queen. For real. I mean, don't you have food at home or something? I'm only here to get a couple blizzards for me and my stepmom, you know? This is what I had to deal with. Like, that's what all of us have to deal with at the moment. Look at freaking Arby's across the street, you know? Gosh. So, yeah, we're just waiting in my car right now. I'm actually just, just waiting because I'm a patient man, you know? Because I'm not. Last night we tried getting Dairy Queen. It was busy as hell. I'm just gonna, take the risk because I'm not. I want blizzards, okay? I'm not doing this bullcrap anymore, alright? We gotta wait. That's the rule. Because yesterday I literally had to have runs of ice cream. That was lame as hell. So I will see you guys once we get to the menu. We're getting kind of close up there. Oh, sun, sorry. There's a sun right there. Yeah, we're getting kind of close at the moment. But yeah, this is insane. Is that right? I'll drop my phone, bro. Is that right, Dexter? I'll drop my phone here. Yeah, I'm taking this little boy with me to get some ice cream, you know? My little baby Dexter, he's so cute. Oh my god, look at Arby's. What the Yo, it's so sad that there's nobody at Burger King right now. That is so sad. Excuse me, I had a little gag there. That's the saddest thing I've ever saw in my life. There's, you know that. I mean, the thing is, like Burger King, they hardly sell their ice cream, you know, because the problem is that they don't keep it open as long as Dairy Queen does, you know, because they have to clean they got like sanitize everything, clean, like turn off the machine and clean it. I mean, that's a lot of work. I'm gonna scoot up a little bit too, actually. Scoot up, okay. So, I'm obviously gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna put the phone down obviously once I, get on back road to get back home, because you can't drive while you're having your phone. That's too difficult. Including one's right here in this area. Yeah. Okay, so like I said before, I'll see you guys at the menu. That's all I have to say right now. So I'll see you guys when we get to the menu, and then I'll see you guys back at home.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. What can I get for you today?
Could I get 2 medium s'more blizzards, please? That should do it. Thank you. See, that was simple. So here's the thing about getting blizzards. Oh no, you're sticking it out the window. That's not good news. Oh god, someone's messing up there. Alright, they got him. Okay. Dude, stop playing with the spoons. Just give him his ice cream. Did you get order wrong? I'll go up to say, I'll be like, really, dude? Stop messing up on blizzards. Oh, hell no. Oh, watch this. I know that. I know this dude. Watch. He's going to say, D-Bubby. Just watch. Just watch. It's a fan right here. Just watch. I think I could just film him. Oh, that shade. Yes. Here we go. There's ice cream. She's wearing the pants over there. Little Dexter. What are you doing? Some good blizzards, huh? Yeah. Just destroyed that. So the thing is, I didn't want to film like random people at the window because I knew a couple of people at the window, but the thing is, I didn't want to film the girl that was paying for my that was like taking my money. So I was like, I'm just gonna put the phone down. So it was getting busy anyway. So I decided to just, just put it down. All right.